Good morning, guys. It's snowing here in Philadelphia. I am water delivery that hasn't been taken inside yet. I'm trying to find some place where you can actually see the snow that isn't a total mess. Our yard is such a disaster that I don't know if I can get any. You can see some snow behind me. But yeah, we got dumpsters, we got all kinds of stuff going on. But good morning. So today's video is the front door wreath. It's the first project I started for holiday decorating, and I think here you can see, trash can. So this is the first project that I started for holiday decorating, and I've started to rough in some other things. Sorry, it's early in the morning and it's the city. It's busy outside. All right, so we're gonna do the front door wreath and let's go walk over there. Front door wreath, let's get into it. All right, switching to voiceover mode to make the wreath. Some people wear gloves because they have a sensitivity to evergreens. I don't have a sensitivity, but I do really dislike having sap and sticky fingers, so I tend to wear gloves when working with evergreens this time of year. You want to start by breaking down all the material you plan to use in your wreath into pieces that are under, I aim for anywhere from 9 inches to 12 inches. The longer you leave your pieces, the more wild and crazy the wreath will project out of the wreath form. So if you prefer a more neat and tidy wreath, then keeping the pieces smaller will keep them more neat and tidy once you start putting them onto the wreath frame. Painted plumosis foliage is left over from a month ago when I made a dyed and painted flower arrangement, so you can check that video out if you like. I'm using a 24 or 30 inch wreath frame. It didn't have a label on it any longer, so I don't know. You want to start by attaching an end of your spool of wire or your paddle wire to the wreath frame really well. I'm going to go around a few times and then I'm going to twist it off onto itself. And I do try to make my wreaths with one continuous long piece of wire. I just find after some practice, it's the easiest way. I'm going to start with the juniper foliage, which is by far my favorite holiday evergreen to use. I just love the berry texture and it's got a great smell. I did not remove all of the leaves from the privet. I wasn't sure if I was going to use them or not, but I ultimately liked the way the blueberry looked with the evergreen, the juniper foliage. And once I've put 2 bundles onto the frame, I'm just going to go around with my wire until it feels secure. I had obviously pulled and prepped this bleached ruscus, and you'll see, I put it into place and then decided that it wasn't a look, it was too much high contrast. Like as I'm recording the voiceover here, I can tell you, it just was gonna look like white spots on the front door, which is that like super dark navy black. So I edited the ruscus out and am just using the plumosis, which I have left really long. So this is a great example of when you leave the pieces really long, they look more wild. But I liked the idea of tucking them in and winding them through the foliage. And while I'm not really known for making very symmetrical pieces, this wreath recipe, if you will, is just the same 3 elements layered on repeat. So I'm just gonna once I have a few pieces on, tie them on with the wire, and then move on to the next element. And so the sequence is juniper and berry, and then the plumosas. Juniper and berry and plumosas until the entire form is covered. So the next element I'm adding is my shatterproof ornaments. You certainly could use glass ornaments, but I do think it's less stressful to use shatterproof, which are essentially blown plastic. The finishes do, I've used these for a few projects, so the finishes sometimes show a little wear and tear, but they're pretty durable. I also am taking a couple of really wild pieces of plumosas and twisting them back. I am going to have some ornaments project out from underneath, and I haven't added ribbon yet because I am actually planning to finish the rest of the front porch decor before I decide if I'm adding any lights or ribbon to this wreath. So TBD. But I think at this point, if you have watched my videos, then you know that I am not a huge fan of perfect balance and symmetry. I think things are more interesting with some movement, and I like the idea of taking some of that plumosus foliage and creating a ring sort of around the ornaments. I just think it projects and gives it some dimension, which I think is interesting. My favorite part about using the lightweight thin silver, which is sometimes called bullion wire, which if you pull it really, really taut, you can even tear it. But I like that I can kind of wind it, and you'll see how I use it. I put the ornaments on through the ornament hook and use a twisting motion to secure them into place. I just think it's easier to do this with a really fine gauge wire. And I also like that I can kind of weave the wire through the different ornaments, which just helps stabilize and secure everything. But more detail on how to work with the ornaments will be in the ornament garland video, which is coming up. And my last finishing touch is this somewhat tiny King Protea flower. I have used these outdoors before. I find that they hold up very well out of water, and I just think that it's an interesting color and texture. I do wish it had opened, and I am doubtful that it will open outside in our cold temps, but maybe I'll replace it at some point if I find another one that looks good. guys, thanks so much for watching. I don't know how much holiday decorating I'm gonna get done outside today, but I have a mantle project and I have lots of fun stuff for December. I love December, it's my birthday month. I love holiday decorating, and I love just making like our house feel cozy. It was so much work when we got it, and the construction, that it was actually the first thing I did the first year that we lived here. Is I did a whole big holiday decorating thing, and I think we will recap some of that in a future video. And if you love the if you follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of stuff with these kind of floating ornaments and things like that, and I'm actually going to show you guys how to make how I make the ornament garlands, and that will be later this week. So subscribe if you haven't, and happy holidays, and I will see you guys soon.